Okay, welcome. I'm doing a quick update. Now, price is not going bearish at the moment. What makes the difference between a good trader and an elite trader is the fact of having the knowledge and the skill set to um, adjust and pivot throughout the market with whatever the market throws at you. You know how to adjust and, look at the market for what it is once you see what price, because it's just as simple. What price did is because of what price is doing. So it's like, if you know what price did, or if you know what price is doing, then that is based on what price did, because price will do this because of that, and price will do that because of this. So it's just like, because price is doing what it's doing now, I know what it did. You know what I mean? I know what it did. And that just goes to right here. Um, the idea that I posted, and this was the weekly time frame. I did a nice little video on January 30th saying that price could very well be encountering weekly bullish continuation with the weekly IPA right here, imbalance and proper price action, and the swipe of those weekly lows being the catalyst. So weekly bullish continuation with the weekly IPA and the swipe of weekly lows being the catalyst of this move. So the reason price will be encountering this continuation to the upside now is because it was a lot of money built up right here, a lot of lows, and then you had improper price action. So price can come down into that, get a reaction, and continue on, which it did exactly that of those moves. And then I put price never closed below the equal lows that price created right here. These equal lows, price never closed below that. Then also printed a doji followed by a hammer, which made price buy. So if you know what's going on, you know, price didn't close beyond these equal lows right here, and then price bought. So at this time, this will be considered the continuation. At the moment, I was, you know, they, I've always learned that if you're so caught up on a direction that price is going, then you could fall victim to price going the total opposite, because you were just so stuck on price going in this direction that you missed all the signs letting you know that price was going in another direction. So, yeah, I posted that and said that. So that analysis right there is exactly what we see price doing. And then even with that, like nothing ever changed. Just was still 8 hour structure. We had got this swing low to swing high, even though this was daily structure. Saying, so let's just go there. So as you can see on this weekly time frame, that, you know what I'm saying, that move to the downside, and then all of this upside move. So this was the line. And we got this, boom, 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 boom. So we are inside of this swing here. You know what I'm saying? Opening up a little bit so you can get the gist of what's going on. Swing to swing. This is retracement. So for price, so this was a retracement. Price could have came down here. This was I made a video saying that price could come down here, or price could come. At that time, it was monthly low somewhere, and I made a video. It was 3 different ways I seen price before us getting 3 different retracements that I seen price had the chance to do before we was getting this continuation here. And what price did was, instead of coming down to use this support here to get a continuation, price came here, sold down to here, used this weekly IPA and sweeping these lows. It was all these supports, because people would have been using these levels as support. Dip down into this, boom, filled this imbalance, created this hammer, and price shot on. It's shooting on up now. So this, you know what I'm saying, would be, once price creates a higher high, will be weekly structure now. If price creates a higher high, it'll be, because this will be a price sold and bought. So this will be the most recent swing point for this continuation, and it'll create that leg. So daily, and you can just see what price is doing because of what price did. So, you know, we had all these daily lows here, weekly low. We had some, you know what I'm saying, this right here, a weekly low. This a weekly low. Had a weekly low here. Then this one was the most recent, gave us double lows. And then before the week ended, as you can see, these are weekends: Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. And these are the weekends. So you see price dip below it before the week closed, it came back up. So it respected this weekly level. Then it came down. And with this, see, this was a Fibonacci. This was a Fibonacci. I just got the levels off. Inside this retracement, we got this swing to swing. Got this retracement here. Got that. Oops. Let me do that. My bad, people. My bad. Bright just pushed up, took those highs, and bought here. Took those highs, reverse, gave us this lower low. That's why this was the most recent swing, because price bought, and so that's why this was the most recent swing, because price bought and then sold. But this was swing to swing, retracement, continuation, and then it came down into these take profits, and then boom, we getting this reversal. So now let's turn that back off, right? So that's what price did there. Now, since price did that, and then came down, respected that week. This week came down into them take profits, and then before the week was over, pushed back up and closed above this weekly level. That means 2 weeks this level, boom, boom. Now, what some may look at, you got some people that call this well. Golly, what's the color? Okay. That'd be a shoulder, right? Head, right? This is a nice candle pattern that a lot of traders use. See? So some way, you know what I'm saying, we could be, when price comes up and give us a retracement, we could be getting that shoulder to make not that, my bad people. Right there, that shoulder. That's the shoulder right there. Boom, shoulder, head, price come, we can get another shoulder. That would be an inverted head and shoulders, but candle pattern. And then get the retracement, boom, gets that shoulder, boom, and continue on, right? Um, so, um, looking at this, so now, so once price got to these take profit levels, this Fibonacci was complete. This, swing, that process was complete. It was a retracement. It came into this weekly imbalance. It respected the weekly low, the last recent weekly low. It never disrespected it. By closing below it, it always closed above it at the end of the week. So at the end of the week, essentially, all of this will be wicks on a weekly time frame. and you see what happened. So now we can start looking at this because price did that. Now look at what price been doing here, giving us this impulsive move, right? So again, came down, price bought here, boom. This down candle was inside that one, got there, respected it, pushed up, boom, right? Now all of this is just a retracement inside of this one bullish impulsive candle that closed above this high, right? My thing has always been this as as structure, the high of a swing or the low of a swing. Um, I always considered this as the structure that price needs to break or, or disrespect um, before it's considered that. But just looking at what price did, right? Just off of that. But then what price did for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know what I'm saying? 10 days inside of this one candle move, this one bullish candle, 10 days inside of it, came down, respected it, pushed up, gave us another bullish engulfing right there, pushed up, came down, respected the open of this bullish engulfing here, respected the open of it, closed, inverted hammer, boom, creating a what? Shooting star? No, no, what is it? Yeah, shooting star, yeah. I, be, hey, I haven't really, I don't want to be wrong, but I know I believe I know my counterparts. But, yeah, creating this. So, we got this bullish impulsive move. All of this is retracement, letting us know price is still bullish because it's just retracing inside of this bullish candle. And when it came to the open and respected it, created another bullish candle pattern, retracement, boom. And that's the continuation we got because price on the weekly had bought and took out the weekly high. So at that point, is when we knew that weekly highs was the target. Weekly high, we was respecting weekly lows. And weekly high is the targets because we are now in this continuation phase. So now that we know that we're gonna catch that next trade. We're gonna catch that next bullish trade when price come down and retrace, and we're gonna catch that next one because we see what price is doing based on what price did. So now we know what price did. We know what price is doing now, and we know what price we know what price is going to do, and we'll be waiting on price to do just that for us to catch the next trade. So now that's what price is doing right there. Oh, do I got a countdown? Well, and then the 8 hour. You see, picture perfect. It's picture perfect. I don't know. That's about to cut me off.